Howdy, this is Hamid of Milwaukee Makers. Is there something better than this to attach to your bike? Yeah, I think there is. Let's find out. So I picked up this bicycle mount off Amazon. Got delivered yesterday, and I really like it so far. Instead of the two screws like the cheapo mount, it has a little clamp and just one screw, and you can adjust it all with your hand. There's no tools required. One thing I did notice, has kind of a plasticky, grippy inner surface on the inside of the clamp, and that had some kind of oily residue on it, which I first noticed when I took it off the handlebar, and it left a little oily residue there. So I just washed it off with a little warm soapy water and toweled it dry, and that seems to help with the stability. So it seems to have a pretty stable purchase here on the handlebar. I also like this particular bicycle mount because it has a 360 rotating ball head, and then with the GoPro attachment onto it, it also has a quarter 20, a standard quarter 20, but it also came with a GoPro style mount. We're gonna cross the street here. Oh, and let's go. One thing I really like about the Quality Sport Volador is using the trigger throttle. Sometimes it's just great to give a little turbo boost while crossing the street. Though it doesn't really kick you in the pants with a jolt of speed, because it's got that pure sine wave controller, but it gives a nice little confident boost when I want to cross a busy intersection. So this bike mount seems to be really great. I really like that it's a little bit taller. So it's got some height. It's going to be like 6-7 inches tall, and so it's not just a view from like a lot lower down on the handlebar and looking up, and I'm sure you can see my nose hair blowing in the wind. What do y'all think of this bicycle mount so far? I haven't moved it off the handlebar, stayed in the same place, but I've been able to move the articulations around to get some slightly different perspectives. I really like that it's up a little higher, still seeing the nose hair, but I can turn it left, I can turn it right, I can angle it in all sorts of different ways, and share this world. Well, here we are outside Earth Body Wellness Center, arrived and fresh and happy. I put the wind reduction feature off now that we are not in motion. So what do you think about the new bike mount? Here it is. Looks like that on the Volador. Low beer open. Yep, my trusty steed. I'm about to start my bodywork day, and it's a nice full one, helping nervous systems unwind. I hope you are having a beautiful day and finding ways to be active and healthy and happy. This is Hamid. Stay creative. I'm out.